We are heading towards South Goa, and here in Panjim we right now just had our lunch and are just roaming around the streets, and it's really pretty, beautiful and colorful. We are at Fountainous in Panjim, and there are colorful streets everywhere, and they say that they paint this every single year. After 1.5 hours, we have finally reached our destination here in South Goa, and the place where we are staying is that's our room, and it is right by the beach. Like from the bed itself you can see the entire sea view, and we are staying here at Benolium Beach, and South Goa is already just so peaceful. The next day morning is a very budgeted and low costed hotel, right facing the beach. It's right in front of the beach, but probably it's just not up to the mark, and we are in search of places where we can shift for today night, since today is our last night here in Goa, so we want to make the most of it, and it's our first day here in South Goa, so we have a lot of beaches to explore. It's around 7:30 a.m. right now, and I'm currently just off to exploring all the beaches. Palolem is the southernmost beach of Goa. Water is so clean, so pure, with white sand and coconut trees surrounded by all the sides. Look at this water, it is so clean. From Palolem beach you can go to the Butterfly Island, which is around 20 minutes one way, but since we want to explore a lot of other beaches here in South Goa, we opted out of going there, and because it's just an island with a lot of coconut trees, but we feel like enjoying with other beaches and exploring them as well, so we just opted out of that. Stop number 2 is to Kola Beach, and there is a lot of off-roading when you come to Kola Beach, and that's what we are doing right now. You even have to walk a little bit to get to the beach because it is an extremely thin beach. How beautiful is this beach? Kola Beach is one of the least visited beaches in Goa, but trust me, if you are a beach lover, then you cannot miss out on this beauty. On our last trip to Goa also we visited this beach, but it was during rainy season, and now the feels that this place is giving me is completely different than what it gave me last time. Look at the water, and there are some shacks here as well, and then there is a lagoon. You can rent a kayak and do your kayaking. So we have right now checked into another hotel finally, and this hotel is quite close by to where we were staying, just a wall apart. So where we are staying right now is called Azaya, and they have given us a free upgrade as well. So let me show you guys how exactly the room looks like. That's the bathroom, and from here they have a direct access to the bathtub, which is in open. So So it's basically a bathtub by the garden. That's the pool side of the hotel where we are staying, Azaya, and it's the pool, it's infinity pool, and then directly is connecting beach. Pool is shut. I so wish we could just dive into the pool. That's the way from the hotel, which is directly connected to the beach. That's where the resort connects the beach. This property is also directly connected to Benoleum Beach, and this beach is just so peaceful. As you can see, there are no people at all, even though it's the sunset time right now. Previously, the plan was to hire a kayak and do it by the sunset, but since there are a lot of waves, they aren't renting out any kayak for today. So I feel sad about it, but then it's okay because today is our last evening and I wanted to spend it all by the beach only. Wow, just look at this beauty. After a good time at the beach, we are finally leaving for our last dinner in Goa. The last morning in Goa. Others have already left early in the morning since they are doing a road trip, and I have a flight at about 2 o'clock. I just got done with my breakfast and will be leaving. Finally back to Mumbai. Got back home and I was traveling really light this time. I had only this bag with me, and this was possible only because I gave my bigger bag in the car. It's 4 o'clock right now, but they'll be reaching by 9:30. It's the next day morning and finally my bag is here. I was supposed to end this vlog last night, but then last night I was just so sleepy that I didn't even realize then when I just slept, and also just caught up this morning after getting 12 hours of sleep after so many days, and I'm still super sleepy. But anyways, I got to unpack now. That's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then you know the drill. Do like, share and do subscribe to my channel if you are new here or if you haven't already. Thank you for watching this video. Lots of love and see you next time.